Okay, a question that I get all the time is AI OnlyFans even legal, and how? And what is it, of course? Now, I'm going to go over exactly that. How can this be legal if the girls' content that you're selling, they're not even real and they don't exist? And do these guys even know it? I'm going to go through that right now. So first of all, how the fuck would I know, and who am I? Well, my name's Kyle. I have over 2 years in the AI model space. I believe I was the first one to ever start doing AI models and AI OnlyFans management. I was in OnlyFans management before, and then switched over to AI when I realized that working with real girls is a real pain in the ass. So I've managed way over 10 AI models. 10's more the more successful ones, but of course there's some that flop or fail, especially in the past. I own the largest AI model chatting agency, which is basically the back-end sales team. So when you have an AI model, you're going to want a sales team on the FanView or OnlyFans page to be able to sell to these customers. And I have an agency which can basically stick salesmen on your account, and we get commission from your accounts. And I've coached hundreds, if not definitely actually thousands of people to be able to do this as well. So, do AI models make money? Fucking yes, they do. This is one of the results. In fact, I done a video on this very recently as well. How I made $38,328 in the last 30 days with AI models, and that was a bad month for us. Yes, they make money. Yes, I have more than just one of these models. If you want to look back on my YouTube and see how many videos that I've made about AI models in the past for the last 2 years, you can see that I truly believe this is the future, and I definitely wouldn't waste 2 years of my life, chasing this business model and doing this business model if I thought it was a waste. You know it's the future, and everyone knows it's the future, right? It's AI. And if AI can make the same or more money than real girls, and they don't take a cut because they don't fucking exist and they don't take days off, it's obviously the future. Come on. So, is this legal? Yes, but you have to do it correctly. So, here's a list of do's, and on the next slide I'm going to go through some don'ts. So, you have to disclose that you're AI somewhere. Does this have to be a massive thing in your name that says Lucy AI model? No. But you do have to disclose it somewhere in the small print, whether that be a little tag saying digital creator or something saying powered by AI somewhere or some shit like that. You have to have it somewhere, but you don't have to scream about it and shout about it. You need to learn AI image design. You need a high quality model nowadays to be able to compete in the market. That's not really to do with legalities, but it will definitely help you on the journey. And you need to vet any staff you bring on board and heavily educate them. This is because if they start doing things wrong on your account, I'm going to go through the don'ts, but if they start doing the wrong things and saying, I'm a real girl, blah, 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 let's meet up here, you need to educate them not to do that, because that is where it becomes illegal. So, list of don'ts. Don't tell people that you're real. Again, you don't have to go around screaming that you're fake, but don't tell people you're real. It's just stupid. Don't steal reels or short form content. A lot of people do it, but don't do it to stay legal. Don't make AI images from real images. So a lot of people do image to image. And technically, if you're taking a real model's body type, and especially if it's nude content, you cannot just image to image that into your AI model's face and be like, yeah, this is now my AI model. No. Don't promise people to meet, obviously, and don't make a shit quality model, because to be fair, some of the models that I've seen who are absolutely awful, absolutely rake it in. I'm not even joking. Some of the best earning models that I've seen are the shittest quality models, and that's purely because these guys just know how to market and sell. But in general, don't make a shit quality model. The main do not steal nude content. Never do that. For one, it's horrible for the fucking people that you're stealing from, and two, you do not want to deal with the repercussions of that. If you're in the UK, that's 3 years in jail. That is called revenge porn without using nude content without permission, do not do it. Platforms. So the go-to is obviously OnlyFans. Is OnlyFans possible? Yes. Do I recommend it? No. You will get banned on OnlyFans, no doubt. If you go onto OnlyFans saying you're an AI model, if you have all the tips and tricks, you can still get banned in the next week. If you fucking spent $2,000 on marketing, that's now down the drain because you've been banned. OnlyFans have shit support and they have no discoverability. You won't get discovered on OnlyFans, so you have to market your OnlyFans externally, like completely, so you have to build up an audience. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but there's no discoverability features on OnlyFans. On FanView, this is the better alternative. This is what we use. You can sign up with your own ID. They love AI models. The discoverability features are very, very good, and they have way better support. Am I saying the support's amazing? No, because it's not. But the support they're going to receive from FanView versus OnlyFans is a lot higher. If you use the link in the description, you can get the first 3 months that you're on FanView. You can get 90% of your earnings versus 80% is the normal rate. If you sign up using my referral code, because I know some guys at FanView. So, AI content. How are you going to make AI content and be able to do this business model? So, you can make your own. This is absolutely fine. It's time consuming. It's very difficult. I can't do it. Use Gemfluence if you're a beginner, because it's still high quality, it's the cheapest, it's the easiest to use. And if you want to go more advanced, Flux or Stable Diffusion are kind of the winners right now. You can also outsource this process. So if you're like me, you want to outsource. I'm more of a marketing and sales guy. I don't really care about fucking generating some models on the screen. That's not really what I'm in the business for. Some people love it, but I prefer to outsource. We do have an AI model marketplace where you can outsource to our own designers that we use. And this will obviously save you time and just allow you to get the best quality models possible. Because realistically, to get the same quality as that, you're going to spend fucking months learning it anyway. Social media. So here are two very popular AI models, Emily Pellegrini and Aitana Lopez. Probably seen the chick on the right, pink hair. Everyone fucking knows who Aitana is, if you've heard of AI models before. Emily Pellegrini, not as popular, but still a very popular AI model in the space. And as you can see, they just look like normal girls' Instagrams, to be honest. There's nothing really different. And that's, to be fair, that's kind of the whole trick behind it. So when you have social set out, you now want to start driving traffic. Paid promos are great. So paying for promos on meme pages or other existing AI models with an audience already, it's going to be brilliant. Running ads is completely possible, whether that's ads on fucking Pornhub or ads, just meta ads. I don't recommend those, but you can do them, and some people say that they work, so fair enough. Shout for shout, so you can go to other models of a similar level, or even if they're not similar level, and you can ask them to shout you out and you shout them out in return. That's how shout for shout works. If you're interested in that, we have a shout for shout and like for like network. That will be in the description as well. Maybe it's just called FanView, like for like, and shout for shout on Telegram. If not, organic methods, of course, posting reels, TikToks, fucking Twitter, whatever social media you're best at and more comfortable with. That's how you're going to gain traffic. So one of the main things and one of the main questions that I get: porn is free. Why do people buy OnlyFans? And to be honest, it still baffles me to this day. But from years of doing this shit and from years of speaking to customers, let's say, I mean, not really, but years of engaging with people in the industry, the main reason people buy OnlyFans content is not so they can see some pussy, because they can see that anywhere. They can actually Google that. But it is so they can chat to the model. So chatting is essentially the process of talking to customers. Normally you have a sales team on this account, but obviously if you have a smaller account, you're going to be doing it yourself. Unfortunately, on the model's behalf, they will chat to these customers. A lot of people say they're pretending to be the girl. So it's there's a big OnlyFans lawsuit right now, basically disputing the fact that, you know, OnlyFans know about these agencies who are chatting, and it's not good for customers because they think they're chatting to a real girl. It's fraud or whatever the fuck. That's gay shit, because these girls are AI, so obviously they don't fucking exist, so we don't have to worry about any of that bollocks. The main goal with chatting is to create connections, make fans resubscribe, and upsell them content in the messages. Now you're thinking, surely not. Who the fuck is buying that? Who's that stupid? Yeah, and to be honest, I completely agree. They're fucking stupid. However, this is one of our clients' accounts on our chatting agency, so our sales team sells for these guys. This isn't even a popular account, I swear to you. This account has about 20 subscribers. So as you can see, just by having 1 or 2 subscribers on there, they could be big fucking spenders. This guy in this screenshot here, it doesn't show the total here, but you can still see they spend a shit ton of money. This guy ended up spending $1,500 in just 1 hour on this AI Models account on FanView. As you can see, I obviously had to blur out the names, fucking obvious reasons. But as you can see by the profile pictures, they are the same guy. So yeah, amazing. So what's the chatting process? The very basics, of course. I've got many videos on chatting, many videos on marketing, many videos on AI generation. So go through the channel if you want free shit. However, the chatting process essentially is to gather info, build relations, and print cash. So in the gather info, we want to get their name, location, job, age, interest, their nan's fucking birthday, their medical records from when they were 6 years old, if they broke their arm or, had fucking mumps. We want to know about it. Now, this is going to allow us to absolutely excel in the building relations section, because now we know everything about their life. We can then basically adjust our pitch to specifically be about them. So once we know that their nan's birthday is tomorrow, we can wish their nan a happy birthday. They're like, holy fuck, a woman's never ever spoken to me before, and this woman knows my nan's birthday. She really cares about me, and I'm going to spend money on her to reward her for that. And if I don't spend money on her, she's not going to talk to me anymore because she told me that. So we want to build relations. Basically, these guys, again, they've never spoken to a woman in their life, or if they have, they may be like older guys, like 60, 70 years old. If they have, they're bored of their current wife and they just want a bit of fun online. Nothing wrong with that, sure. But yeah, they're extremely excited by this attention because they're either very lonely or old and bored. So this attention they're never going to get from a younger girl anyway. So yeah, a girl has never taken interest in their life before or a long time ago. So we are now the pinnacle of their life once we've built a good relationship with them. Now we print cash, and now they have a girlfriend online. So they need to look after their girlfriend, and also they need to pay her for any nude content that they want. It's pretty simple. If you want to hire professionals, go to Chatter link. It will be in the description. It's a Telegram channel, and essentially you can look through some previous results, whatever, blah, blah, blah. We explain the process. But if you want to apply, you apply via the link in the description. And we are a professional sales team. Yes, you have to meet certain requirements. We're not going to sit on an empty account. So if you start an account today, no, we're not going to sit on your account. We work purely on commission. So if you, let's just say, earn over $1,000, it may be worth a conversation with our team. And we can implement some chatters who are fully trained by us, fully English, and work 24 hours around the clock. So if you want to hire professionals, you can't be asked to train your own, or any of that stuff, then hire us. Also, if this business model interests you, we have a $47 course in the description. So literally cheaper than a night out, cheaper than fucking anything. If you want to learn this business model in depth and be taught by professionals, and also get a community full of people who are also pursuing this business model, $47, that's extremely cheap. There will be a course in the description for exactly that. Hope you enjoyed. Hope I explained the legalities very, very well. And if you want to learn, either check out the YouTube channel for free shit, or $47 course to be included in a community and get a more laid out course type thing. So yeah, have a good one.